Hi guys, and welcome back to the PipeEX YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a T-connector in Autodesk Revit. As always, this Revit family will soon be available for download on our official website under the video tutorial section. The family I am going to create is a T-connector consisting of a main run and a branch connection. I want the connecting pipe to be adjustable to different angles relative to the main run. That's why I'm going to work with an angular parameter in this video. Let's get started. I'll begin with the main run, so I'll need to add a few reference planes first. And then I need to add a few dimensions, so I'll use the Align Dimension tool in the Annotate tab. Okay, then I'll assign the label to this dimension. It's going to have OF label. For the main run of the T-connector, I'm going to use the Revolve tool. So I will go to the Create tab and choose Revolve. First, I will draw a simple rectangular. Close all padlocks. Pick the axis line and click OK. In the next step, I'm going to create end connections. And to do this, I need to add a few more reference planes. And we'll add a few dimensions. This one is going to be OF, this one the L12, and here I'll quickly go to family types and change the parameter value of the L32 parameter. I want it to be equal to L12. And now we can create two revolves. I'll start with the right one, close the padlocks. Pick my axis line and click OK. And for the left end connection, I will also draw a revolve profile. And finish. We can continue with the branch connection now. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I want the branch connection to be adjustable to different angles. So first I need to add a few reference lines. I'll go to Create, choose Reference Line, and starting from here, I will draw a line that ends in the center of the main run, like this. It is better to use a reference line instead of a reference plane in this case, because a reference line has an endpoint that can be constrained to define the rotation point. To constrain the endpoints of your reference line, you need to click on the reference line and then click on the lock icon, like this. Then we'll add angular dimension. And of course, we'll need to add label. Let's check if it works properly. Here's our A dimension. And what if I want to have 10 degrees instead of 25 degrees? Yes, it as expected. To create a new revolve, I will go to 3D view. Okay, I cannot see the endpoint of my reference line, so I will temporarily hide the main run of the T-connector, like this. And then I'll go to the Create tab, choose Revolve. First, I'll need to set work plane. I'm going to pick a plane. And here you need to make sure that you choose the horizontal work plane. Okay, now I can draw a rectangular. I'll find the endpoints of a reference plane first. And then create a simple rectangular. Close the padlock, because I want my revolve to be dependent on the endpoint. Alright, now we need to add a few dimensions. Thickness. No, actually I won't need the length, but I will need the radius. Assign labels. So this is going to be OF. This one is R3. And then I'll pick the axis line and finish. Okay, I'll unhide the main run. Okay, we can see that something went wrong here. Perhaps we need to adjust the radius of the branch connection. And also I think that we forgot to assign the label for the diameter. So what I'm going to do, I will add a few dimensions first. Yes, right. I'll add one more dimension and assign the D1 label. Alright, now you need to go to family types, and here we need to add a few formulas for the radius. The R3 parameter that we created, it is going to be half of the D1 minus OF, and this one is going to be half of D1. Yes, half of the D1. I want to check if the rotation works. Yes, it is working. Need to add a few reference lines. So I'll go back to the reference level view And here we'll create another reference line. I want to make sure that the padlock is closed. Alright, and we'll add an angular parameter. And assign the A label. I'll change the angle to check if the rotation is working. Yes, perfect. I'll need to create one more reference line. Let's say somewhere here. Okay. Now we can go back to the 3D view. Create. And I'm going to create another solid revolve. I'll set a work plane first, pick a plane, pick the horizontal plane, and draw a rectangular. I'll use the end point of the existing revolve as a start point for my rectangular. Close this padlock and add a few dimensions. We'll be able to control the geometry in the future. What else do we need? Those seconds. We'll need this dimension and the radius, of course. Then I'll label the dimensions. There's going to be OF. This is going to have the L32 label. This one will be the I3, and this is our radius. All right. Okay. Now we can pick the axis line like this. We've finished. Now I'll check if it's possible to rotate the branch connection. Apply and possible because likely the padlock is closed somewhere. Oh right, yes, of course we forgot to add an angle dimension. Angular dimension. This time I won't assign any labels to this dimension. I will close the padlock because I want to always have the 90 degrees. All right, so we'll try it one more time. 20 degrees. Oh yes, rotating is working. But we are not finished yet. We need to add an align dimension and assign this is going to be L3, right? And here I will use the align tool to align the section with end connection. Close the padlock, and I want to check one more time if the rotating is still working. Degrees, yes, working. Okay, fine then. Continue. So yes, we need to add a few reference planes. I'll add a few more dimensions as well. For the left side and for the right side. Need 2 more dimensions. Going to be I2. This is going to be a 2. Annotate one from the center. So this one is going to be 1, and dimension of the L1 label. So you see, I changed the parameter value of the I1 parameter. So I made it equal to the I2 parameter. This made it possible to align the L1 label to the dimension at the bottom. Alright, so we almost finished. I'll make the L3 parameter equal to the L2 and L1. So we aren't finished yet, so we still need to add pipe connectors. So I'll go to the Create tab, find a pipe connector, select a work plane. I'm going to pick a plane. Okay, then I'll click on the reference plane and then on the pipe connector itself. And here I need to place it correctly. So I'll move it to the center of the main run of our T connector. Set this value to 0, like this. And then I also need to change its properties. I'm going to change the diameter from 24 to 0. Apply. Alright, let's see what we have. So here is our pipe connector. We need to adjust its height. So I'll go to the front view and here select the pipe connector and set the value to 0. Alright, it's in the right place. And we'll add 2 more pipe connectors. Again, work plane, pick the plane. Move it to the center. 0. And I'm going to mirror. Right. Here I'll mirror. properties again. About front view. So this is it. We're done modeling. Set it to 0. Apply yes. Change diameter. All right. Yes, everything is working. All right, that's it. This is how you can create a T-connector in Revit. I hope you liked this video and see you next time.